Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Instagram highlights if it's not loading. If your Instagram highlights are not loading, try the following steps to resolve the issue. Make sure you watch the video till the end. First, you have to check your internet connection. Ensure that you have a stable internet connection. Poor or unstable connections can cause issue with loading content on Instagram. You could also try updating the Instagram app. Go to the Play Store and look out for the Instagram app and simply tap here and just update, and there will be an option showing you update. You simply need to tap on that option in order to update. Make sure you are using the latest version of the Instagram app, or you could also restart the Instagram app. You have to close the Instagram app completely just like this and reopen it back again. This can sometimes resolve minor issues with the app, or you could also go restart your device. Sometimes a simple restart of a device can resolve app related problems, or you could check or you could clear app cache and data. What you have to do is press the Instagram app like this, go to the app information over here and select the storage and cache, and on the bottom there's a clear cache option. Tap that and also clear storage, and you have to know that all this apps data will be deleted permanently. This includes all file settings, accounts and databases, etc. So, and you need to log back again after you clear the storage. And if the problem still persists, there may be more complex issue with the app or your device. In such cases, you need to contact Instagram support for further assistance. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you on how to fix Instagram highlight not loading. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification icon for more upcoming uploads.